Okay, so we're currently going to be entering into a small town called Columbus, Montana. Been here multiple times. Which I usually take this route to go to the mines. But we're not going to the mines today. We went to the warehouse that gives out your permits to go to the mine. You know, it's good to deliver today. One kid. But it is a small little town, it's a nice little town. And I figured I'd show you. Have a pilot on top of here, as you can see through the platform. This is our exit right here. It looks like it's a nice little town to live in. Kind of town, I think that pretty much will know your neighbors. Imagine if you live here long enough, you'll know everybody. It has a nice little trailer park, RV trailer park, right out the ramp there. Nice little scenery. Right there. Across the street looks like a baseball diamond and playground for kids. It's a nice little town. Vehicle. I just love the way these Freightliners have built their truck. Got a huge blind spot right where the corner of the truck is, where the door is, and the mirror. not much there to be able to see, and I didn't see that car. So, but we did see him, and we didn't cause an accident, right? So it is a nice little town, though. On going down this road, you'll run close to, you'll be headed towards the mine. But we're turning here. Getting about that turn really screws me up. But here, I gotta wait for this pickup truck to move out of the way. And this other truck can kind of move out of the way. That's where we're going. And pull in just to the left, just to the right of you. I don't know if I should go in there or not. There's not much room in that parking lot overall. There really isn't. But I guess I can get in there. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. It has to come in on an angle because they're really not. They should have had this gate a little bit wider. If you don't, you run into the hood or run into the wall or other part of the fence is what I meant to say. So now everybody's trying to get out of here. What? Okay, we've delivered our first delivery of this trip, Columbus. What is going on? Well, I guess I'm going to roll down this hill. That's my reason I cannot go forward. One of them days, is it? Chance of saying hello to the next person that's walking up. Okay, here we go. I'm on such an angle on this downsloped dock that the drives were not clicking in. And I had to switch over to both axles, both drive axles. So just had to turn it off now. Say you always have to stop your truck completely before you turn them, engage them and disengage them. Alright, let's get out of here. And let's drive back through Columbus. It is a nice town. definitely time to turn the heat off and maybe even turn the air conditioner on here soon. To Grand Falls, or Great Falls, Montana, deliver our next delivery. It's currently 215 miles away. Buildings here. This must have been like downtown, I'm guessing, before they built the new downtown, which in these towns really isn't usually a new downtown. Montana. Wasn't in there delivering my load that long. There was only one skid, but I had to stay low. I come to Columbus a lot. I think since I've been back to this company since the 22nd of December. I've been to Columbus probably about 4 times since December. Either I'm passing through, just getting the permit to go up to the mine, or just delivering the skids there instead. You guys have yourself a fantastic day, evening, or whatever. Drive safe if you're driving, and have a good one. Bye for now.